Meaning of giggle.
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 Giggle. Giggle is a verb that describes the act of laughing in a high-pitched or nervous manner. It is often associated with amusement, happiness, or embarrassment. The sound of a giggle is typically light and short, and it can be contagious, causing others to also laugh. It is a common form of social interaction among friends, family, and colleagues. However, excessive or inappropriate giggling can also be a sign of anxiety or stress. Overall, giggle is a light-hearted expression of joy or amusement that is universally understood across cultures and ages.